Aenon is located in Tampin, in the state of Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. The serene natural surroundings bring a calmness to the weary mind. Studded in the scenic environment are huge boulders declaring the majesty of God. Aenon started as a live-in wellness center in 1999, offering wholesome healing to our health guests, emphasizing on healing the physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual. A lifestyle to health that works has been experienced by thousands of guests since then. Aenon is the place to train young people for medical missionary and media evangelism work. Commencing this year, a new department will begin to train Bible teachers for Asia. Medical missionary work is the right arm of the gospel. Health guest evangelism is the primary mission of Aenon. While the health guests are with us, every day is an opportunity for sharing Jesus.
Hi, I'm Paul Evans. I'm an assistant professor of church history at Samyuk University in Seoul, South Korea. And I've been struggling for the last 2 years with my skin. I've been trying to not use topical steroids, and I've suffered a lot for the last 2 years, and really a lot of my friends recommend so many different things, and I've tried so many different things, and basically nothing has worked. So I heard about Aenon from some friends and so decided to try it out. So I came here and I was wonderfully surprised at how professional this lifestyle center is compared to some of the ones I've heard of. One of the best things is the medical staff and the health professional staff is very they personalize everything so well and so individually that I felt that I was getting the treatment and the advice that I wasn't getting in so many different other places that I've looked on the internet or listened to friends. So this was a great opportunity for me to learn what I can do to improve my health. So I really value this. I wish that more health professionals could know about places like this and be of help to them. They could really, this is one of the dream types of health facilities for the future. I think it's the standard of vacations for the future. So I'm really happy that I came here and I'm looking forward to coming back again.
As for me, I've gone through chemo, radiation, and all the mainstream treatment. I have come to this. God is God's leading that brought me here. I've been to this center for the past 10-11 years, and we are here regularly to do detoxification. We learn a lot from here, the natural remedy, the diet, the lifestyle change. We have journeyed with a lot of cancer patients, and we know from them that a lot of doctors will tell them you eat anything under the sun. But as what we have learned for the past 10-11 years, that animal proteins are real bad for cancer patient and any sick person. Plant-based diet is really a wonderful diet that people who are sick should be encouraged.
Our guests treasure the experiences and appreciate the bonds formed with the staff and students. Opportunities for Bible studies have also arisen when the guests express the interest to learn more.
I wish you could meet Bruce and Barbara from near Sydney, Australia. They came here for the purpose of finding healing socially and physically. But while they were here, they became curious about the Bible. They visited the Adventist church, and I had the privilege of giving them Bible studies to see how they soaked up those Adventist doctrines that often are difficult for people. It was their experience here at the health center that opened their heart like a flower. You know, they're not the only couple I've studied with here. I found Aenon to be a wonderful place for making contacts, for offering Bible studies, even for inviting people to church. You can see how the right arm of the gospel works in a place like this.
After acquiring the vision of medical missionary work while in Aenon, our students are able to experience Christ's method. With the guidance of the staff, they are involved in many areas: local church training, restaurant work, and health screenings. Aenon, medical missionary work, restoring the physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual.